Weltome toe in sig het volvalie, kom. Tito Frey is a leading Nordic Digital Services and Software company formed from the merger of Tito and Frey in 2019. It specializes in providing its services, software solutions, and consulting across various sectors, including public administration, healthcare, financial services, and manufacturing. Vital workforce of approximately 24,000 employees. Tito Frey operates primarily in the Nordic region but also service clients globally. The company's product offerings encompass cloud services, data and analytics, application development, and cybersecurity, enabling businesses to innovate and accelerate their digital transformation. Additionally, Tito Frey focuses on sustainability and aims to help organizations transition to more environmentally friendly operations. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, yacht, and automation, Tito Frey positions itself as a partner for businesses seeking to enhance efficiency and deliver better customer experiences. The company's strong market presence, deep industry expertise, and commitment to development make it a key player in the fast evolving digital landscape.